Today, we're going to teach you how to winterize your Pathway RV for freezing temperatures. You will need 3 items to winterize your RV. First, you'll need some RV antifreeze, a blowout plug, and an oilless air compressor with your regulator set to 50 psi. First, we're going to have your Pathway RV plugged into 30 amp shore power, or 15 amp is fine as well. First, we're going to drain your freshwater tank until empty using the water pump and the sink to transfer the water from your freshwater tank to your gray tank, or optionally using the undercar drain valve located on the freshwater tank. Next, we'll drain the gray water tank until it's empty. The clear strainer of the water pump located underneath the bed in your Pathway. Next steps require the water pump to be off. We're going to hook up the blowout plug to your city water fill port. We're going to hook up an oilless air compressor to that blowout plug set to 50 psi. Turn the freshwater fill ball valve to the tank fill position on the back cabinet of your Pathway. Do this for approximately 10 to 15 seconds and then close the valve. With the toilet lid down, using the button to flush, drain all the water out of the lines of the toilet. So you're going to open the cold and the hot valves on your shower and your sink until no water comes out, and then close them. Open the valves on the 2 low point drains, which are located next to your water heater underneath the bed. Empty your cassette toilet and then store it in a heated garage. Last, we're going to empty the gray water tank. Your Route RV has 3 P-traps that will need about a quart of antifreeze in each one in your shower, your bathroom sink, and your kitchen sink. Now your Pathway RV is ready to be stored outside in freezing temperatures.